we will see the differences in few things using our own senses. Okay, so by using our senses, so first we can say the taste. Okay, so the taste of acid is sour and the taste of base is bitter. What is the taste of lemons and limes? It is sour. Yes, so which means it has citric acid present in them. So because of the citric acid, it is sour in taste. Okay, so the acid, the taste is sour, and bases they are bitter in taste. Okay, now next coming to touch. Okay, so what happens when acid comes in contact with your skin? There is burning. Good, there is burning sensation. Yes, and there is itching sensation. Okay, so there is burn and itch. What about base? How is the touch of base? Base touch करे तो कैसी फीलिंग आती है? Soft. Soaps यूज करते हैं, राइट? हैंड वॉश तो कैसा रहता है? स्लिपरी रहता, सोपी रहता, राइट? तो bases are slippery and soapy. To touch. Next is litmus test. So in litmus test, we will be using litmus papers. Okay, so these litmus papers, they come in two colors. One is red, other is blue. Okay, this acid is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay, and here we have the base, which is sodium hydroxide. Okay, so this is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, you can see it is in the form of pellets. Okay, only half. Right, bata do. Right, so you can see the difference. Okay, red. तो रेड लिटमस किस में डिप करेंगे? फिर एसिड. बेस में डिप करेंगे तो रेड टू ब्लू होता. फिर आप right, so you can see the change, which means this solution is base. Okay, now okay, so this is blue to red, which means this is acid. Okay, what type of acid is this? HCl. Now this is litmus for knowing acid and base. Okay, so there are other chemicals as well, known as chemical indicators. Okay, so chemical indicators are agents which turn or which change color when they come into contact with acid or a base. Okay, so the one chemical indicator is for base. This is phenolphthalein. Okay, and here this is methyl orange for acid. Okay, for base phenolphthalein, for acid methyl orange. Okay, now this phenolphthalein, you see it has no color, just like water. Okay, but when it comes into contact with base, it turns color. Okay, so here you see right, so you can see how it changes color, which means this solution is base. Okay, now this methyl orange, it is for acid. So this will turn to I'll add it to the HCl. Let's see, from orange it will turn to blood red color. So this blood red color indicates that this solution is acid. Okay, this is the acidic solution. Okay, so this is magnesium ribbon. Okay, So when we burn magnesium, what happens? It reacts with the oxygen, okay, and it forms magnesium hydroxide. So when it burns, it gives off white flame, okay. So it is a blinding light. So what happens after you have experienced the blinding light? Your vision becomes a little bit blur, okay. So that is known as blinding light. You can see the water is still little bit clear, right? So now we have to mix it so that the water gets all the starch, right? Now there is starch present inside the water. So this is iodine solution, okay. So iodine, you can see the color, it is brown in color, okay. This is used for the starch detection. लीजिए mix करो. Okay, enough. अभी now we'll add the solution inside the test tube, okay. So the color changes from blue, black, brown to or no? So you can see the color change, right? So this color change indicates that there is presence of starch in chips, okay. Now we'll add. So first we'll be adding the sodium hydroxide. Then we'll be adding the copper sulfate, okay. Now after we mix, right, so from white to you can see purple, okay. So this color change indicates what? Protein in milk, okay. So